Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the delicious and very healthy cream of mushroom soup. Before I could share the recipe, I want to share with you the health benefits of consuming this superfood, white mushrooms or the button mushrooms. White mushrooms are edible fungi. They play a vital role in the overall well being of all age groups, especially for women. As women age and reach the menopause stage, the estrogen hormone levels drop down and hence the bone density starts to decline. Hence, women must consume vitamin D and calcium rich foods to save the bones from fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. Vitamin D allows your body to absorb calcium. Mushrooms are very rich sources of vitamin D. Mushrooms also contain B vitamins, which are good for our red blood cells, digestive system, nervous system, and vitamin B12 that helps to ease the pain associated with arthritis. As we all know, milk is a rich source of calcium. So, when mushrooms get cooked with milk, the vitamin D present in the mushrooms helps to absorb the calcium from the milk, and hence, this cream of mushroom soup is too good for your bone strength. Now, come, let's get on to this healthy recipe. For making cream of mushroom soup, I have taken 400 grams of button mushrooms. Wash them thoroughly but handle them gently, as they have very soft texture. And slice them with the stems on. Don't discard the stems. Never wash them after you slice them. Now keep them aside. This is fresh parsley. Though they look like coriander leaves, they give a unique flavor when added to this soup. So chop them finely. Try to get these leaves for the soup, otherwise, you can go for dried parsley. But never substitute these leaves with coriander leaves for this recipe because they have a unique flavor, which will be very good. Now keep them aside. Now take a wok and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets heated, add 25 grams of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of finely chopped garlic and cook over a slow flame. Now to this add 1/3 cup of finely chopped onion and saute the onion until they turn golden brown in color. And once they turn golden brown, add the sliced mushrooms and cook them without adding water. And to this add half a teaspoon of salt. The mushrooms will release water once you add salt. Now to this sprinkle some pepper powder and cook for some time. And add mixed herbs to this for that extra flavor and cook them for 5 to 6 minutes. You can do this over a high flame. Now done. Switch off the stove and remove 90% of the cooked mushrooms from the wok and transfer them into a plate. Cool them and grind them to a fine paste. Now let the balance 10% stay in the wok itself. So while blending, first blend the mushrooms without adding water. Once they are blended well, add about 1 cup of water and grind again to form a thick paste. Now add the paste to the wok and cook over a slow flame by adding 1 cup of water. Now increase the flame and add 1 more cup of water and cook for a few seconds. Now to this add 200 ml of milk, which is at room temperature, and cook for 2 minutes, stirring constantly to avoid burning at the bottom. Now add chopped parsley for that flavor and followed by mixed herbs and some pepper powder. So this is not going to be too spicy. The soup is boiling now. At this point of time, add 200 ml of fresh cream, which is at room temperature. So all the ingredients should be at room temperature. Now add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now it's boiling. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix with 3 tablespoons of water because we have to thicken the soup. But this is optional. Adding corn flour is optional. Now pour in this corn flour slurry into this and keep stirring the soup. Keep on stirring. Now the soup has been thickened now. Now switch off the stove and garnish with some chopped parsley and pepper powder. Now Serve piping hot with butter toasted garlic bread slices. And friends, please try this super delicious and amazingly nutritious soup and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like this recipe and my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. And please enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Thank you very much for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.